video?
For today's video! Yay!
Yo guys, it's James.
Jillian.
And today we're going to do the Who's Who game.
Of course, me.
Better at math. Huh? Me? Joke. Di ko better at math, Jod, guys. Sorry.
Hindi, mas ko ano siya gmat.
Baga kayo og naong kay nag-makeup.
May.
Dili ko may og math. Mo na siya, guys.
Both.
No! I'm not funny. Di ko katawanan, guys. Siya ra jud siya. Na. Weird siya, promise.
Kawana na siya usahay.
I'm not.
Uy, majuduha.
Me, I think.
Ikaw lagi.
Ako jud. Huh? Both.
Yabag yung tingo, guys.
No, I think
Tingo ko.
we could sing both. Both, yes. You know what, guys? Najuli times na kaliyang babot mig 5 a.m. in the morning, like, no, not sleeping, so it's a big revelation. So, mapa, sorry.
Ano sa'yo, sorry na siya yung unang makatog.
Yes, bro. Sayo ko mamata kung dugay ko makatog niya. Siya kay dugay din siya mamata, guys. Promise. Chill.
Me, always.
Yeah, her. Kay...
Even though if may mga like quizzes ako kay, more
Yeah.
ako wala na.
Yeah, exams or pageantry, kay hilig man siya pageant. So, ano kay, dili siya kalang kuan,
Prepare.
di siya prepared.
Me.
It's her again. I mean, girls, I think, really took time when it comes to
Kita
changing.
ka like, oh, TV.
Me.
Siya.
Yeah, I do love watching TV. Pagbata pa man jud, I do love reading and at the same time watching movies. It excites me a lot rather. Both.
Ay, joke, both eh.
Me.
Good James.
Yeah. Ako siya yung nalabasa sa premiere niya. Tapulan jud siya, guys. So, I think it take time for her to read a lot of things. Dancer? Me?
Uy, me.
Ako daw, so...
Ako sad.
Huh?
But my favorite food is pumpkins. I want to become a pilot. My favorite character is Transformers. Memories. 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 Memorial. Memorial? Ano memories? Memories. Adik ko kabaw. Pass. 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 No. Sayaw. Oy, me first. It's okay. Sayaw. Sayaw. Onggoy. I'm scared. Are you scared? Yes. Osaka. Shimano? I did it. Osaka. Osaka. Osaka Day? Ay, Osaka Adlaw.
Very good. So, 2-1. Okay? 2-1. The score is 2-1.
Give me a chance. Give me a chance.
Okay, next.
So hard, so don't do this
Iwan ka dong,
challenge.
kuya.
It's so hard, but don't do this challenge. Please don't do this challenge. If you're English, do not do this in Bisaya. If you are Bisaya, you're okay. Name of the alligator.
No.
What? Ang koko?
Agila? You don't know what is agila?
Snake?
Repeat.
The
Sakop
the
na agila.
the nail of the snake. Oh, I
Agila is
remember
eagle.
Oh yeah, I remember that in my lahi. Hide and seek. Hide and seek.
Very
Una ko
good.
me. Una ko to me.
Okay. Next.
No, you're not trying to game.
Next.
Talk like this in a time now.
Okay.
I'm going in a crop top so you
Okay,
gave
now.
me just a little. I'm with you. Ikaw dito. Ikaw na ako. With you.
So that.
Back again to 0 scores.
Okay.
Why?
4-3. 4 ninyo, 3
Why
Elika.
naman kami? Ay, 4 naman.
Di 4 ka dong, kaya wala mo to score ganina.
Imuhang kanta.
Very good. Elika score 4-4.
You forgot.
Ninyo! 5-4. Okay, and what's the score? 5-4, no?
Goodbye. Na. Goodbye. Goodbye and see you tomorrow. Blind eye. Tinuod na. Tinuod na. Tinuod na. Ka-royal. No, tinuod na. Tinuod na kuan. Wait, tinuod na. Crayola. Tinuod na makina.
Color.
Color.
In Bisaya, color. But it's not color, but color. Okay, sunod.
We didn't think about that. Sorry, guys. Bye-bye. Love you. No. Ang babay katong this. Ang babay katong the same name mo. Walay isa. Ang sabi, no one. No one. Walay hindi. What isa? Walay. Walay usa.
There you go, guys. Don't forget to like,
And comment down below and
subscribe, and hit the notification button. See you in our next video. Bye!